nyt. Hello guys, this is my first video. I'm playing Bed Wars with my friend Jantu. Say hello.
Hi.
So we are playing Bed Wars on blocks.io and oh yeah, somebody already blocked the... I'm going with my one friend. Let's go. Don't do anything. Where do you? Jantu. Do you hear me? Do you hear me, Jantu?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going with our teammate. Yeah, let's go push on her. We are going. Somebody blocked our like bed. Some of the teammates. I have 3 diamonds. Jantu, I gave them to you. Are you in the spawn?
I killed our teammate.
No, why?
I don't know. Just give me money.
I'm going to let the 3 diamonds on the chest.
Red is coming.
Are we going to push? Where are the reddies? Do you kill again our teammate? No, I slipped. Oh, God. Do you kill again our teammate? Jantu, why you keep killing our teammate?
What?
Why you keep killing our teammate?
I don't know.
You are killing him. Yeah, let's go. Say when the time is on, so I have to stop. Okay?
Yeah.
There is 2 red players. Help me.
Oh, where are they?
Oh, they're pushing me. They're pushing me.
Are they coming? Are they coming in here? Is they?
They're in
Oh no!
our bed. They're in our base.
Kill him!
He's low. Kill him. Do you kill him?
But let's go back. Come, fast! Thread is gonna kill you.
I hit him. I hit him.
Okay.
What? Why I'm here?
What the fuck?
Why you killed our teammate?
Mä tein pikku källi.
Why you killed our teammate?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Speak English. But why you killed them? Bro, why? They don't do anything to you. They didn't do anything to you. Let's go push. I'm going.
Okay.
I have 3 diamonds.
Well, no.
You killed her teammate again, bro. Bye.
The fuck? Like, come on, dog.
Yeah,
Come on, dog.
I killed one red.
Okay.
I have 5 diamonds. What can I do with them?
Yeah.
What I can do with 3 diamonds? I have 5 diamonds. What can I do with 5 diamonds? Oh.
So we had problems with making the screen record, so we
So
made a
this
new
is
video.
like
So
already so my third video we make.
yeah, we had some issues with the OBS Studio.
Yeah. I had to like stop the recording, like not now but
Red
like
is coming, red's coming, red's coming.
Yes.
Warn.
where?
Wait, never mind. Oh shoot, run in the base. Run. Go in the base.
No,
Where are you going? Where? No, I told you.
No.
Why did you not listen to me?
Let's go push. No, somebody like
Okay.
break there.
Who braked it? The red team got it.
No one got.
The red team sent the fireball.
Oh. Yeah.
Look, they sent this. There is this fireball you can throw.
Oh, okay.
Oh, blue is coming, I think. And let's put some blocks in this bed.
No. White look like la penis. Yeah, I had to stop like, let's go push and if we die.
Hey, wait, let me get this diamond. Okay, I got a diamond.
Yeah, let's push this.
No.
Well,
Red is coming, red's coming. Run.
let's go push.
No, red's coming.
No, I sleep. I have to stop the play. Stop. Thanks for watching the first video, so I have to stop. So, bye everyone.